Hi, my name's Jennifer Penrose, and I wanted to invite you to our free neck pain and headache workshop. This is perfect for someone who is thinking they'd like to know what is causing their neck pain. They've been dealing with neck pain for a long time. Oftentimes, the cause can be the neck, the shoulder, your posture. We'll go over some real great tips. In fact, I hear many times from my patients that they wish they would have come to physical therapy sooner to implement some of these really effective strategies. And we'll teach you what to look for your own setup at home with your computer, your TV, how you sleep, just some things that can be helpful right away. And we would love to hear your story and get some quality questions and help solve your neck pain, headache pain, shoulder pain. And many times people are also having some jaw pain that can refer into the neck as well. So I definitely work with a lot of TMJ patients and would be happy to answer some of those more specific questions as well. So we look forward to meeting you at the neck pain workshop and helping you get started on this journey of solving your neck pain, headaches, and shoulder pain. So look forward to meeting you.